Yes. What's going on, guys? Day Trading Addict here, and oh boy, guys, we have a great video today. I'm going to react to this video right here. I tried day trading Forex with $50,000. I'm going to react to this video, and this is a good video to react to because I'm going to give my honest review about day trading in this video and his feelings, okay? So we're going to get to that. I know some of you guys don't have a lot of time, so you might not watch this full video, but what I want to do or what I want to say first is hit that subscribe button, because over here what I do is I help struggling traders and advanced traders to get to the next level when it comes to trading in general. It doesn't matter if it's Forex, the futures market, the stock market. I'm the guy that's helping you get to that next level. So hit that subscribe button. Now let's react to this video real quick, and I want to just give you guys my honest view. So let's go.
I can't believe we're actually going to do this, but in this video we're going to try day trading with $50,000. I'm kind of nervous about this one, but let's just dive right into it.
Okay, so I'm going to skip a little bit because this video is going to be too long if I watch the whole video. Okay, so let's get to some couple of parts I want to get to. So
Actions for $10,000
right here, he's actually funding his account.
So you can see
with
that
$50,000, and he's showing you that
the Forex.com brokerage I'm using honestly has terrible spreads, a max leverage of I believe 1 to 50, so it kind of sucks to trade with them, but they are a regulated broker, so that's nice since I can kind of trust them with my money and not have them run off on me.
Shout out to him. And before I even finish this video, guys, this is no hate to him, okay? No hate to him. I love what he's doing. Shout out to him. I really don't know how to pronounce his name, but overall, you know, he's a good guy. I just want to educate you guys when it comes to trading. Okay, I see a lot of mistakes he's making, so I want to just go over it. But overall, he is funding his broker right now with $50K with a regulated broker, which is great because we do have unregulated brokers that give you more leverage. But he wants to go with the legit route. Okay, now let's skip this video and we're gonna go to a couple of good parts. So let's go.
Will I be able to pay the quarterly taxes on my dropshipping business after this video? Great question. Subscribe to find out. No, I'm kidding. I'm not that irresponsible. I wouldn't do this if it put my financial situation and business in jeopardy, and neither should you. I don't recommend anybody day trades. It's super risky. Chances are you'll lose money the way I often do in these types of videos.
So he's saying day trading is super risky. Well, he is definitely right. He's 100% right. Okay, but guess what? Going outside is super risky. Driving your car is super risky. Open up a business is super risky. So everything, believe it or not, everything you do in life is risky. So, and what I want to talk to you guys is when it comes to risk, there's ways you can actually minimize your risk and have, and actually make sure that you're not risking a lot. Okay. And I guess I'll give you one good example. Okay. If you know what you're doing. So let's say that you never crossed the street before. Okay. And you don't look both ways. Guess what? That's risky. But if you know how to cross the street, if you know you have to look both ways before you cross the street, guess what? You can minimize the risk. Yes. Can you still get hit by a car? Yes, you can still get hit by a car, but you can still minimize your risk, guys, because you're doing something that allows you to go across the street without a strong possibility without getting hit. Okay, so that is really what I want to talk about and some more stuff today. So let's continue with this video real quick.
Hopefully not this one, but point being, I'm not here to sell you on day trading. We're just here for a good time.
Okay.
Guap on the line, but it is currently Sunday 2:41 p.m. at the moment. We're gonna get into the trading Monday night, since I guess all the action and the most movement happens with currency exchanges when it's nighttime in the Pacific time zone. So I'm gonna keep that in mind and kind of bend my sleeping schedule around that. So I'll go to sleep really early and wake up at 2 or 3 a.m. to trade this week. And all of that said, I'll see you guys on Monday.
So he's going to do this Monday. So what I realize is basically, and let me rewind it a little bit, okay? Because what I'm realizing,
put in all I got, everything I've learned over the last few months. I think I'm still even subscribed to some signal services, so I'll see what those recommend. Be on the lookout for news, the whole 9 yards. I think this will make for great videos, as my reactions to everything are going to be as genuine as they get. Since
you see what I'm talking about. So basically, what he's saying is he's subscribed to a couple of signal services, okay? Which is, you know, I have nothing against signal services, but there's a whole bunch of services out here, okay, and most of these guys do not know how to trade. So he's hopping on different services, and I don't think he's doing his research. That's number one. But if you listen to what he just said right here, guys, he just said that this makes, you know, it makes a good reaction video. So you can tell that he's doing this for entertainment, okay? He's doing it just to bring content or make content on his YouTube, so he can, you know, give his audience, you know, some good entertainment. All right. So I want you guys to know exactly what he's doing. Okay. This is really not a professional way how to handle when it comes to day trading, how to handle you know, or how to day trade, period. Okay, because the way he's doing it, it's literally like he's skipping so many steps, and you can tell he's doing this for entertainment. So let's skip this real quick. Oops, I clicked on this stupid ad. Let's go.
Okay, so it's currently 5:56 p.m. on Monday. I had to come down to LA on some business. But is this gonna stop our day trading challenge? Or I should say night trading challenge, since we're gonna be trading at night? Absolutely not. We're gonna be night trading out of this tax deductible hotel here. I basically brought the stew with me. Now I know I said I wouldn't start trading until Monday night, so like 2 or 3 a.m. on Tuesday, but guilty, I did a trade this morning. Guilty.
And so basically, what he did, guys, he said that he wasn't going to trade, right, until Monday. And guess what? He's trading Monday. So one thing you have to understand, guys, when it comes to day trading, guys, you have to follow your system. So if you said you're not going to trade Monday, guess what? Don't trade Monday. This is why a lot of people get in trouble when it comes to day trading, because they don't follow their rules, okay? Listen, if I say, listen, I'm not going to trade, you know, maybe let's say I start my trading at 9:30. If I say I'm not going to trade before 9:30, and all of a sudden I'm trading at 9 o'clock, guess what? I'm breaking my rules. And yes, you might get away with it one time, but guess what? That voice in your head is going to, you know, try to get you to trade before 9:30 every single time, because you made money, and guess what? You're going to have a bad experience, because next time you're going to lose money. The next time you're going to try it again, you're going to lose money. The next time you try it again, you're going to lose money. So that's why you follow your plan, guys. You have to follow your plan. So that's a bad mistake right there.
There was an opportunity on the USD/CHF pair. It's been taking the last couple of days, and it started recently showing signs of bouncing back. So I went in with
So if you look at it here, guys, he said that he got in this trade because it has signs of bouncing back. Okay, so meaning that he went long. Okay, if you're new to my channel or you're new to day trading, this is a downtrend right here. Okay, if you look at this, is a downtrend. So especially if you are a beginner, you do not, I repeat, do not want to trade against the trend. He is trading against the trend, so that's another mistake. You do not want to do that if you are a beginner. Yes, you can do that if you know what you're doing. Okay, I do it all the time. I go against the trend all the time, but that's not my main strategy. Okay, your main strategy should be always going against the actually following the trend. Okay, so the market is going down. Okay, so if the market is going down, that means there's a strong possibility it will continue to go down. So you do not want to go against the trend. So I guess if you're new to the channel, the best way to explain it is a train, right? Do you want to step in front of a moving train? No. So this right here, the momentum to the downside. So if you're trying to buy this, it's like you're stepping in front of a moving train. So guess what? No wonder he lost
last couple of days, and it started recently showing signs of bouncing back. So I went in with about a $9,000 position, set the take profit at $730 in the green, and then the stop loss at -500. So we'll definitely see how that plays out, but at this point I'm gonna do some prep work here, look for trade ideas, and then again it's almost 6 p.m. so I'm gonna try to fall asleep. I don't know if I'll be able to, but I'll try, so that way we can wake up at 2 or 3 a.m. ready to go, energized, and get into some more trades, and this time with some more money. Should be pretty exciting, so I'll see you guys then.
Let's skip this a little bit.
She did earlier on Monday, ended up closing and it hit the stop loss, so we lost around $612.
Okay, so he lost on that trade, okay, $612. Now, you really have to understand, guys, right? And like I said, there's no hate on this video. I mean, no hate on him, okay? Because he's a young guy trying to figure out things. And once again, remember, this is for entertainment, okay? You can tell it's for entertainment, okay? He's not, you see, I'm passionate about this because I trade every single day, okay? So I'm passionate about this. So me personally, when I see things like this, you know, it kind of pissed me off, because this is why day trading gets a bad name, guys, because a lot of people come into day trading and they trying to skip the process. They don't understand that day trading, guys, is a business. So when you try to skip the process and you're not educating yourself, okay? When you don't educate yourself, guess what? You're going to lose. It's just plain and simple, guys. You really have to understand, guys. You really have to understand you will lose. So let's continue with this.
On that one, I can't do this. But oh well, it is what it is. Let's see if we can get into some other trades here right now. So I ended up going into 3 different trades here, all based on the same concept of there supposedly being a reversal on the Australian dollar. I'm somehow still subscribed to the Fiverr guy signals from a couple of videos ago. I'm not paying for them, but I guess it never got disconnected, and he sent out a couple.
This is a professional market. Every time you step in any market, I don't care what it is, it's a professional market, guys. You're dealing with professionals. Guys like me and these other big sharks, they will take your money. We will take your money. We will. Guess what? How do you think these guys get paid? How do you think these big hedge funds and banks and big traders get paid? They take money from guys like you. You have to understand, in order for those guys to get paid and the guys like me to get paid, someone has to lose. And guess what? It's guys like you that, I'm just passionate about this stuff, guys. Let's continue this video.
Couple signals about this reversal, and it seemed legit. So I went in with a 5,000 buy position on the British Australia pair, a short position on the Australian Canadian pair with 3 grand, then actually back into the USD CHF pair with 5,000, and finally a 3,000 short position into the Australian New Zealand pair. So at this point I had around $20,000 throughout all the trades. The reason why I didn't want to go in with more is if they went south, this brokerage can automatically close the trades if you don't have a balance in your account to support the margin. And boy, did they go south. Ended up losing 1,300 on the British pound Australian and lost 2,100 on the Australian Canadian pair. Now on Wednesday I went back into that pair and unfortunately lost another 1,500. So those
bro, listen, man, you are gambling, okay? You are gambling with your money, plain and simple. Yes, this is gambling, guys. This is why a lot of people think day trading is gambling, because this is it right here. This is 100% gambling, guys. He has no education, right? Listen, the market is a professional market. Imagine you going from high school, right? And let's say you're a freshman, and all of a sudden they throw you to the NBA. You like, NBA? I'm not ready for the NBA. What are you talking about? These guys are going to block my shot. They're going to steal the ball from me. Of course they're going to do that. Because, guys, you have to understand, you're not ready for the professional market. Just like a high school freshman is not ready for the pros. Okay, you have to learn this stuff. You can't just jump in. Come on.
Signals really messed us up here. But on Thursday, we got that USD CHF pair.
And most people are looking for some stupid magic system. And that's why they just jumping in or getting some signals from someone that is on Fiverr. Like on Fiverr, come on.
Closing at 700 in the red. And at least we ended it off on a good note with a 600 profit on the Australian New Zealand pair. So that really did not play out too well. We are left with 44K of the original 50, so that's like a 10% loss this week, which is unfortunate, but the good thing is I finally came to a conclusion on all this Forex day trading stuff. The big takeaway I got from this whole experiment, and hear me out on this one, I likely mentioned it before and got some backlash for it, but I'm gonna say it how I see it, and that's how this Forex day trading stuff is awfully similar to poker. People who gamble on poker professionally can often make money, but a lot...
No, it's not, guys. See, that's his problem, okay? And this is why a lot of people, when they come to day trading and they lose money, automatically they feel that, well, since they can't make it work, it's a scam. I see this happen over and over and over. But why do you think you can actually come in a professional market, guys? That, listen, you have to understand, guys, when you dealing with this market, you're dealing with the smartest guys on planet. Okay, you're dealing with math wizards, you're dealing with billionaires, you're dealing with multimillionaires, you're dealing with the smartest guys on the planet, and you really think you're gonna come with your little money and all of a sudden make millions of dollars? Come on, guys. I mean, it's ridiculous. And another thing is, you really have to understand. You have to back test. You have to have a proven strategy. You have to have stats. Guys, this is a business. Just like you do research before you open up a business, you have to do research. You have to know your stats. You have to know what works before you even come to this market. Let's continue.
A lot of it is out of your control. The better players will pay a lot of attention to the cards on the table, eliminating potential possible hands very quickly in their head, do a much better job of predicting what the other players' cards are by a process of elimination and reading people. So they do have an edge over a novice player, but ultimately there's a lot of chance to it, similar to Forex day trading based on price action or indicator type strategies. Experienced traders will often have better risk management and whatnot, giving them somewhat of an edge the way experienced poker's players do, but at the end of the day, it's a gamble. No one knows where a currency price is headed in a...
Yeah. So his excuse is no one knows, blah, blah, blah. That's why you can't make money. First of all, let me explain something to you, okay? The reason why day trading is different is because you are trading human behavior. And if you look at the charts, okay, you can go back. I have charts. I go back all the way back to 1950, okay? I have charts. I'm going back all the way to 1950, and you will see the same patterns repeat themselves over and over. 1950, guys. That's almost damn near 100 years ago, okay? So you have to understand, guys, if patterns repeat themselves over and over and over, you have to ask yourself why. Well, because we are trading human beings. Human beings are the reason why you will see these patterns over and over, okay? Now, these patterns have, a certain winning percentage when it attached to them. So you as a trader, you have to do your research. You have to figure out, okay, what patterns work, which one will give me an edge, okay? And you have to do your homework. You have to write down the stats. You have to make sure you do the right research. That's why you're not making no money, because you don't have the right stats, okay? So it's not gambling.
Okay, if you're Warren Buffett or if you're Jimmy Buffett, nobody knows.
And just like with gambling, I've noticed small wins with Forex trading kind of outweigh the negative feeling of huge losses. So you can lose a bunch of money, then have a small profit, and that's going to keep you going, which is exactly how casinos work.
Yeah, if you don't know what you're doing. So let's skip this, and we're going to basically go to, I think, this one right here.
Of looking into the space at this point, I've come to the conclusion that day trading Forex is basically gambling, and the real money in Forex is with creating signal groups, affiliate commissions from brokerages, and the education side of it. And I'll bring up this next part because this would be the first point of attack for a Forex supporter. They can say that, well, it's the same way with dropshipping, and attack that since that's my bread and butter, that's the business I'm in. If someone is watching this and is not a beloved subscriber and does not already know that, which I guess can be very true about some scammy individuals in the dropshipping space, but that's a very surface level argument that falls under the ad hominem fallacy, as dropshipping is very...
I want to basically hurry up with this video. So he's saying that he thinks it's gambling, and I understand. I totally understand. I know what he's going through. I trust me. It took me 8 years to figure this stuff out. 8 freaking years. Imagine losing for 8 freaking years. I almost gave up. I said, yo, it's impossible for me to make money. It's impossible. Trust me. I said it myself. But I'm glad I didn't give up, because now I'm able to trade the markets, okay, and make money from the markets and trade daily. Listen, I'm so glad I didn't give up. But I understand where he's coming from. I know how he's feeling right now. Okay, I know how he's feeling.
It's literally just.
And he's saying that drop shipping. He's trying to compare drop shipping with forex. First of all, you have to understand there's plenty of people feel the same way when it comes to drop shipping. They feel that it's a scam. There's no way you can make money, because this now. If you start if you start drop shipping right now with no education, doing no research on a product, don't know how to market, if you just come in drop shipping the way you came in when you came in day trading, guess what? You're gonna lose too. You're gonna lose all your money with drop shipping, because you don't have no education. You ain't do the right research. You ain't tried to master your skill. And another thing I forgot to mention, guys, he didn't even try to demo yet. We have demo accounts. If you're new to the channel, if you don't know what a demo account is, guys, a demo account is where you can actually play the market, the live market, with fake money. So you can gain skill and get used to the market and test your strategies. He didn't even do that yet. Come on, guys. You cannot talk to me before you have, because what a demo does, it allows you to, number one, gain experience, number one, prove that your strategy works, because you don't want to go live. You have to prove to yourself that you can actually do this, guys. That's why you have to go on a demo. Now, I personally know a millionaire trader, and I know six-figure traders. Personally know them, like see them face to face. I know this one guy. He has at least $50 million in his account, because I remember he was saying that he was short. He was short around. He said around. He's short $18 million a couple of years ago in the market. Okay, this guy has a lot of money. He day trades. Okay, I know six-figure traders. Okay, myself, I trade daily. So for you to say it's impossible to do it, that's because you're rushing the process, bro. Let me ask you a question. Okay, do you think you can start something with no education and automatically make money? Do you think that? Yes or no? Of course you're gonna say no. So you have to understand, when it comes to day trading, even if you get the right information, right? So let's say that someone trained him and he got the right information. Even with the right information, you can't expect to make money right away, because you have to train yourself. So let me give you a good example. Let's say that Steph Curry, right, shows you how to shoot a three-pointer. Do you think, even though he's showing you everything, do you think you're gonna automatically be Steph Curry overnight? No, you still got to put in those reps every single day. Same thing with day trading. Even if someone teach you how to day trade, you can't expect to be a good day trader a month from now, 2 months from now. Okay, you have to understand. You have to put in those reps. Keep on shooting. Make sure that you perfect your form. Same thing with day trading. Keep on day trading. Make sure that you understand the market. You can't do this within a week or two, a couple of months. It doesn't work like that, bro. You have to put in your reps. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I don't want to make this video too long, but guys, you have to understand, when it comes to trading, guys, we traders, we make a lot of money, and we can make more money than doctors and lawyers. So why do you think a person that can make more money than doctors and lawyers? You can go look at my videos where I'm making $900 in one day, $1,400 in one day, $1,000 in one day. And if you think that that's going to come easy, man, you have you just don't understand. Okay, you have to put in that work. So shout out to everybody that's watching this video. I'm glad you guys are watching this video. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. And this is why a lot of people or day trading gets a bad name. But like I said, I understand he's young, so I'm not throwing any hate on him. He seems like a good guy. He's very successful. Another thing with day trading is, it seems like he's a full-time YouTuber. He does drop shipping. With day trading, guys, you really got to give it your all. Okay, it's sad to say, but it can't be a hobby. you really have to give it 100%. Okay, it's almost like it has to be a full-time thing. You can do it if you're part-time and you're going to school, not school, but work. You can still do it part-time. You can swing trade, but still, even if you do it part-time, you still got to give it 100%. And I don't think he's giving it 100%. But shout out to him, man. He sounds like a good kid. There's no hate on him. Keep doing your thing, bro. Listen, but before if you really want to take day trading to the next level, bro, this all I'm asking you is do research, educate yourself, put in those reps, and you will get better, man. All right, guys, hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more about trading, and hit that like button, guys. Talk to you guys later, and please have a great day.